Today I present to you top 5 Ghanaian artists with most subscribers on YouTube, updated version of 2025. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end and get to know where your favorite artist is going to be. Yes, I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If today is your first time, kindly follow us on all the social media handles at Karma Studios. Facebook is Salif Abdul. Let me be Anya Kamakamafe. Let me take you through the top 5 most subscribers artists from our country and get to know where your favorite artist will be. So let's start with number 5 is Jackie with 800k subscribers on YouTube, and she is having 69 videos uploaded on her channel. She has a total views of 208,919,768, and she joined YouTube on 1st January 2019, and that is when she joined YouTube partnership program, or that is when she joined YouTube. Yes, so she's on number 5. Yes, on our list. On number 4 is Blacko. Yes, Blacko is on number 4 because of his numbers. Black Sharif needs no introduction. He has made name for himself in the Ghana music industry and across the world. Yes, internationally, locally, he is known. So let me take you to Black Sharif numbers. Black Sharif is having 1.19 million subscribers on YouTube. He has 75 videos uploaded on his channel. And then he joined YouTube on 28th January 2019, same year with Jackie. Yes, and then he's having a total views of 248,504,640 total views on his YouTube channel. So that is amazing numbers from Black Sharif. And then we have Links Entertainment. This is a recording a recording and a signing company. Yes, the former company for that is Kiddy, Miss V, and then we can make mention of Kwame Eugene and a lot. Yes, and then they are having 1.16 million subscribers on YouTube, and then they are having 644 uploads. Yes, total views on YouTube is 432,360,042, and then they joined YouTube since 7th August 2011. Yes, so from the list I think they are the one who joined YouTube earlier. And number 2 is Shatali. Yes, Shatali Obedi Pompedi, 2 niggas on a block. Yes, Africa's most decorated rapper, Africa's fastest rapper, Africa's most awarded rapper, best African rapper of all time, still alive. Shatali is on number 2 because of his numbers and the things that he has done in the music fraternity, in the music space. Yes, Shatali is having these numbers, and then he's having 1.21 million views on YouTube. Sorry, subscribers on YouTube, and then he's having a total uploads of 286 uploads. Less upload, more subscribers. And then Shatali is having a total views of 376,357,000. Sorry, that is 376,357,444 total views on his platform. And then he joined YouTube 2nd December 2012. Yes, guess who the number 1 is? Yes, Shatali. Yes, Pam is number 1, and then he's having 1.22 million subscribers on YouTube, and then he's having the uploads. When it comes to the upload, he has been uploading, keeps uploading, and then he's having 1.1k videos uploaded on this YouTube platform, and then he's having a total views of 325,929,818 total views on his YouTube platform. So Shatali is having much more views than Shatali, but Shatali is having more subscribers than Shatali. Shatali joined YouTube 19th December 2012, same year with Shatali. So when you look at first and second, they are having same year. They joined YouTube 2012, and then 5th and 4th they also joined YouTube the same year. That is amazing. If today is your first time coming across on our platform, here is Karma Studios, and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. This is what we do on our platform. So kindly join us on all the media platforms at Karma Studios. So finally out.